Hop, di pa. Hop.
That's it.
Abante, sobra. Hop. Atas na konti. Hindi pa niya kabisado sa camera eh. Hop. So yun, naka-hook up na ako. Hook up na kami. Naka-hook up na, naka-set na. So lilisanin na muna namin tong lugar na to, area na to. Then we're done here for our tour. And we're moving to the other campsite, which is Glacier, different national park. So napuntahan namin ngayon dito ay ilang national park?
Pangatlo to, magpapang-apat na.
Papang-apat na. So yun, yung basura pala, ibaba.
Yeah.
Malalaking Walmart or whatever na store.
Yeah.
Checkin mo ha.
Mahina lang yung signal.
Pagbaba siguro.
Mamaya pa naman, malayo pa
So,
naman eh.
bago tayo mag-exit,
So siguro yung mga middle part na ng route natin, mag-start ka ng
may dalawang stop tayo dapat
Yun.
mapahinga.
Okay.
At least tag to 3 hours na mabiyahe itong ano.
Oh, yung isang pahinga ron yun na, yung Walmart o ano na yun,
Oo.
doon na yun.
Doon na rin ako kumain.
Pero
Doon
ngayon,
nakakain.
for the meantime, yung akitan natin,
Yes, Bunso.
magsasangay yun eh. 200 siya tinuturo sa akin.
Okay, I'll
Please,
check.
stop.
May tanungan doon, stop lang tayo
Information
doon.
center, yeah.
Tatanungin ko lang
Magpapagas
kung
din?
which is mas
Pera.
okay.
Yep.
Papagas din ako.
Gotcha.
Siya magpapagas din si Ryan. Okay.
Yes, Bunso. Say hi muna. So we're going na. Let's move on to another campsite, which is Glacier. Montana pa rin siya, but 9 hours. Wyoming pala kami ngayon. Then punta kami ng Montana. Ito pa lang yung Yellowstone kasi
Sakop
3
tatlo.
states ang nakakasakop dito sa state na to. So Wyoming, Montana, tsaka Idaho. So yun, we're heading out. Hindi pala na-check yung ilaw.
Check ko. Doon na sa may basurahan. Radyo ko kay daddy.
Ay, di tigil din. Sige pa, radyo.
Daddy, check nyo nga kung umiilaw yung likod ng RV.
In a quarter mile, turn
Come
right.
right.
Umiilaw, daddy? Oo. Yung umiilaw?
Flasher working. Brake working.
Okay, all
Okay,
good.
thank you. All good. Thank you for the wonderful memories, Yellowstone.
I feel it coming, I feel it taking control. It's the hurt I imagine from us to nothing. There's something missing you stole, and it's a little tragic. I know I'm better off living without your love, but time and again my thoughts go back to when we were crazy kids with a lot of feelings. I'm too proud to make it.
Where's my bison toy?
Ang best nito niya.
Ay, mahal, baka biglang sumagin si John, ha?
Hanapas mo konti.
I'm for stealing. When I rode with you, it was all downhill and losing these are long days, and even though you can.
So naghihintay kayo na mapakante yung kabilang, yung opposite lane para maka-overtake?
Yeah.
I'm
Yan man pag ano, overtake.
Medyo
gonna let the
pagilid-gilid na,
bison
pagilid-gilid
stop
na.
when I draw the bikes to stay
Nako.
stop.
Hindi nababakante yung kabilang side eh. Naghihintuan din kasi sila.
Talalalan, talalan, talalan, talalan. May prosesyon. Tarad. Yan na, gigilid na.
Malaki kasi yung bus eh. Takot din pala siya. No?
Naku, gumit na uli! Ano ba yan?
Sila, papunta na doon, papunta na doon. Sila, punta na doon.
Buti na po kami dito ng siyam-siyam.
He's still going there. Dad, maybe you have to talk nicely to the bison.
Call the bison. Bison, here's your baby. Janet's holding it.
Well, there's something I can't get over. I know I'm better off living without your love. But time and again, my thoughts go back to when we were crazy kids with a lot of feelings. Too bright to beg and too dumb for stealing. When I rode with you, it was all downhill, and losing control was a part of that thrill. A part of me still wants you. 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 We were crazy kids with a lot of feelings. Too bright to beg and too dumb for stealing. But when I rode with you, it was all downhill, and losing control was a part of that thrill. A part of me still wants you. A part of me still wants you. A part of me still wants you. A part of me still wants you.
Stop tayo sa Rosario.
Sa Lion's Head, kamo. Lion's Head na ito.
Lion's head daw, Daddy.
Lion's Head, okay.
Yan, yung hot spring. Saan ang parking yan?
Doon na nga yata yung sa taas eh.
Pang RB?
Ngayon din ito dapat eh, di ba? Ano yung Lion's Head eh?
Hindi, bababa pa. Tabi-tabi yun ah.
Sure.
Wala sa salit eh.
Habang signal.
Mahal, sharp turn oh, 25.
So, tumigil kami ngayon dito sa Mammoth Hot Spring sa kalagitnaan nung pababa. So, akit ulit kami ng konti, then pababa ulit. Yung pinanggaling kasi namin nasa 7,000 feet, if I'm not mistaken. At yun, nagpapatatak lang sila sa visitor center ng passport. Kung makikita nyo yung pinakita ko yung sa nung una, yung passport na binili para parang pinaka-souvenir na may tatak sa mga national park. So nagkuhanan sila. So yun. Ito yung view. Yan, oh. Then doon kami aakyat, then bababa. Gilid ng bundok. So okay naman, kinaya naman ng ating aking pickup truck. So malakas. So yun nga, mas malaki pa nga yun eh. So yun, yung hot spring naroon sa likod. So wala kasi kang maparkingan doon, mayroong parkingan doon, walang mapagparkingan ng RV. So yun yung puting yun, yung puti. Yun, hot spring yun yung paakyat. So I don't know kung makakaakit kami ron saglit para makapagpa-picture daw. So I don't know. So yun, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung aming dadaanan doon. Medyo matarik. So yan yung view. Yan yung view. So Mammoth Hot Spring. Tapos campground yung pababa. Yung pinanggalingan kasi namin halos dulo. So pabalik na kami ng Montana. So yung pinanggalingan namin is Wyoming. So yun, all good naman. Nag-enjoy mga bata. At least bago mga pumasok sa school, back to school. So nakapag gala-gala muna kasi yung the past ng mga vacation lang ano lang sila tawag doon yung parang kids camp para naman may mga bata activities kasi yun nga naghapit din ako ng biyahe, then yun nga sa di magandang inaasahan medyo nag-struggle kasi nga yun nga na aksidente. So but yun nga, ito matagal na ito nakaplano kasi. So hindi naman din namin pwedeng i-atras kasi para sa mga bata rin. So yun, yung pupunta akitin namin. So yun yung akitin namin pababa.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. Crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive.